Our eighth goal for sustainable development is decent work and economic growth. Here, our aim is to promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. For economic growth, people should have jobs that pay enough to support themselves and their families. But nowadays, jobs are not increasing as the population is increasing. Things don't have to be this way. We need to create more jobs, and so in the end, we can achieve the goal of decent work for all women and men by 2030. Our next goal is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. We have to achieve this goal by 2030. We have to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. Technological progress is required to address the challenges of jobs creation and becoming more energy efficient. We need to be connected, and only that way we can be prosperous. We are becoming more interconnected only because of internet. We need to invest in innovation, infrastructure, sustainable industries, and in scientific research for sustainable development. Reduced inequalities is our next goal. Here we aim to reduce inequality within and among countries. We should adopt policies to create opportunities for all, regardless of who they are or where they come from. We need to solve the problem of income inequality also. We need to improve regulation of financial markets and to send development aid where it is most needed. We can change the story of inequality if we think it can be done. Next, sustainable development goal is sustainable cities and communities. Here we aim to make cities and human settlements sustainable, resilient, safe, and inclusive. Now, more than half of the world's population lives in cities, and this figure will increase tremendously in the coming decades. Number of megacities are increasing continuously, and the cities are centers of culture, business, and life. Cities can also be centers of extreme poverty, so we need to create jobs and make cities sustainable for all. Next goal is responsible consumption and production. Here we aim to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. A lot of people are consuming so little to fulfill their basic needs, and we need a world where everyone can survive and thrive. So we need to preserve our natural resources so that the coming generations can enjoy them. We can achieve this goal by disposing toxic waste and decreasing per capita food waste, and we need to recycle waste. Climate action is one of 17 sustainable development goals. Climate change is affecting us, and we can see its drastic effects such as tsunamis, tropical cyclones, and floods are giving us great losses. We can combat the losses of lives and poverty by helping vulnerable regions. Political will and technological measures are needed to limit the increasing temperature of our planet, and we need to take urgent action to stop climate change. Our next goal is life below water. We need to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. Water and life below water makes our lives possible. But we are over exploiting oceanic resources and destroying life below water by toxic wastes and carbon emissions. We are making oceans acidic. We need to stop carbon emissions and plastic pollution to achieve this goal. Next is life on land. In this goal, we aim to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of forest ecosystems. We need to sustainably manage forests. Desertification is a great challenge, and we need to combat this challenge. We aim to stop and reverse land degradation, and we aim to conserve biodiversity. Humans rely on other forms of life on land, so we need to protect and restore resources of our survival. Peace, justice, and strong institutions is our next goal. Here, our aim is to promote societies which are peaceful and open to everyone. Everyone should have access to justice, and our aim is to build institutions which are effective, accountable, and are not limited to a class or group of people. We need to stop violence, armed conflicts, crimes, torture, and exploitation to provide peace to people and bring sustainable development. We need to reduce violence in all of its forms and to stop flow of illicit arms. The last of 17 sustainable development goals is partnerships for the goals. Our aim is to strengthen the means of implementation, and we aim to make global partnership active for sustainable development. It is a big list of goals, and at times it looks difficult to do. But to have the future we dreamt of, we need to strive, and again, it can be done if we think it can be done. Thanks for watching and listening.